Hello guys, how's it going? Today we're going to take a look at one more finding. Anyone can withdraw a user's value deposit NFT after approval is given to the depositor. Let's take a look at this one. Just to make it clear, this was found by Clans Forever, Big Chen, AK1, Neomon, holding name Kiki, Holiday Wild 3, Rod CVGAF, G1, 0x52, and Honor LT. Let's take a look at the summary. Withdrawal from gauge is a public function that can be called by anyone, which transfers tokens to a massive sender. Withdrawal from gauge burns the NFT to be withdrawn, which means that the depositor must either be approved or in possession of the NFT. Since it doesn't transfer the NFT to the contract before burning, the user must either send the NFT to the depositor or approve the depositor in a separate transaction. After the NFT is either approved or transferred, a malicious users could withdraw the NFT for themselves. Interesting. Let's take a look in the code. We're gonna dive into the functions, so I'm just gonna speed up fast here to the texts. Depositor calls burn, which means that it either the owner or approve the NFT. Since the withdrawal from gauge doesn't transfer the NFT for the user, this must happen in a separate transaction between the user and then calling the withdrawal from gauge. A malicious users would call the withdrawal from gauge first and steal the NFT. This would be really easy to automate with a bot. So just to explain here, every time a user makes a deposit and receives his collateral tokens, whenever he wants to withdraw the tokens, seems like he needs to burn it. And whenever he burns it, someone could be watching the mempool execute withdrawal from gauge function before the owner. And this seems to happen because of a lack of access control, meaning that the withdrawal from gauge function not really seeing who's doing that, it's making them withdraw. Let's see what we have, what else we have in here. So we have the remediation, and here we have a discussion stating that they added the suggested changes and did some minor refactoring. Now let's take a look in the code. So by looking at the withdrawal function, we can see that the function is first public, and we can see the burn process here. Whenever we are executing a burn, an approval must be executed before, or you need to have sent the NFT to the contract. The problem with the function being burned is that once we get the rewards for that, the transfer is made to master sender. Public, anyone can call it. So let's see how that was fixed. So looks like now, whenever we have a new deposit receipt, the owner of the ID, the NFT itself is validated. So we're checking if the owner is message sender or and if this contract is really a related deposit. For that, the function itself was changed to internal. Now, only the owner can call the withdrawal function. And this is interesting because every time new deposit happens, we have a depositor contract. Now, we're making that control straight ahead. Tip for today. Hope you guys like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know if you like this format.